Unless you're a very specific type of person, spreadsheets are very boring. One way to spice things up is to turn the data into an interactive dashboard, but that's always required a little bit of know-how. But now that's changing. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google is shaking things up with a new feature in Sheets called Canvas, which can turn your data into mini apps with a simple Gemini prompt. According to Google, Sheets Canvas acts as an interactive layer that sits on top of your data, always stays in sync, and can be easily tweaked on the fly by prompting Gemini. All you have to do to get started is click the Gemini button in Sheets and prompt it with what you want to see. Google's provided examples of a student turning a list of assignments and deadlines into an interactive board that you can use to track progress, set reminders, and visualize the coming week. In another example, Gemini turns a wedding RSVP list into an interactive seating chart you can adjust. Google has been adding Gemini Smarts to its workplace and productivity apps for a while now. You can already use it in Sheets to make quick multi-step changes to your data with a simple prompt, reducing the time it would otherwise take to figure out what formulas to use. Sheets Canvas builds on top of that to turn rows and columns into something more interactive. Google has made Sheets Canvas available now in English to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. It's also rolling out to Google Workspace customers on Business or Enterprise Standard and Plus plans, and Google AI Pro for Education add-on subscribers. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.